me, get this in front of the door.
Scott, wait, not here.
What was that? Scott, what was that? Looking at the ceiling.
Just help me. Chairs, stack the chairs.
Guys, can we just wait a second? You guys, listen to me. Can we wait a second? Guys? Styles talking. Can we hang on 1 second, please? Hello! Okay, nice work. Really beautiful job, everyone. Now, what should we do about the 20-foot wall of windows?
Can somebody please explain to me what's going on, because I'm freaking out here. And I would really like to know why. Scott?
Somebody killed the janitor.
What?
Yeah, the janitor's dead.
What is he talking about? This is a joke?
What? Who killed him?
No. This was supposed to be over. The mountain lion
No,
killed...
don't you get it? There wasn't a mountain lion.
Who was it? What does he want? What's happening? Scott!
I don't know. I just, if we go out there, he's gonna kill us.
Us? He's gonna kill us?
Who? Who is it?
It's Derek. Look, it's Derek Hale.
Wait, Derek killed the janitor?
Are you sure?
I saw him.
The mountain lion.
No, Derek killed them.
All of them?
Yeah, starting with his own sister.
The bus driver?
And the guy in the video store. It's been Derek the whole time. He's in here with us. And if we don't get out now, he's going to kill us too.